According to the CDC, over 150 people die every day from overdoses related to synthetic opioids like fentanyl. It's a lethal drug that's been driving a rapid rise in these deaths nationwide. Here's Scripps News' national correspondent Jessie Cohen with more.
Fentanyl is popping up in fake prescription drugs and street drugs across this country. Many law enforcement agencies say it's really hard to detect, but one department is proving that it's easier than expected, and they want other departments to get on board and train their canines.
Ready to work? Let's go to work.
At first glance, most see a cute lab when they look at Reno.
Okay.
But the minute she starts working, it's clear this canine means serious business.
Woo! Good girl. Good girl. That particular odor right there, when it was on that side of the vehicle, she picked it up back here. Did you see that?
Her handler, Wyoming Highway Patrol Trooper Joseph Delos, is talking about fentanyl. It took the dog just seconds to sniff out the scent on the side of this highway in Cheyenne in a demonstration.
Aside from marijuana, other drugs like fentanyl, I would not be able to smell it, at all. I mean, she's got such a phenomenal nose on her, She smells things we can't smell, obviously.
Reno was the first narcotic detection canine with the Highway Patrol to be trained on fentanyl. They are the first agency in the country with nationally certified fentanyl-detecting canines.
Our agency partnered with McCore Canine out of California, and we got together and we're like, we're going to train this dog. This is how we're going to do it.
Lieutenant Joshua Hardy helped create this training program. It's something departments had strayed away from because of how dangerous the drug can be. But Hardy knows what it feels like for this drug to take a loved one, both professionally and personally.
My wife's little brother, he died from an overdose that had fentanyl in it. So it's impacted our family. And sure, that's impacted me as well, and part of my passion for doing this.
Fentanyl is up to 50 times stronger than heroin and 100 times stronger than morphine. A few grains of sand worth can be lethal.
Many agencies, officers, canine trainers didn't want to mess with fentanyl because it was so dangerous. The thought was, if there was a pill across the room and you even got remotely near it, it was going to, cause you problems and you might overdose.
Fentanyl is involved in more American youth drug deaths than heroin, meth, cocaine, benzos, and prescription drugs combined. The question was, how do they train these dogs without hurting them? Through research and partnership, the answer became clear: carefully.
Based upon those containers that they're in. One is just basically a trace odor, and the other one's a real odor, but no particles or anything come out of that container.
It's training aid delivery device, and it's manufactured by Canine.
The filtration system in these new products allows the dogs to do their jobs without any harm.
Okay.
When they are out in the real world, they are trained to keep their distance while using the strength of their nose.
Keeping them on the exterior of the car, not letting them kind of go in and after and claw and bite at things. Them being trained and knowing and, being more cautious about how they search things is definitely a priority now.
Experts say much of the fentanyl in the United States is made by Mexican drug cartels from materials imported from China. For the U.S., it's a national public health crisis.
We're not going to sit back and watch people in our communities die. Already what's being taken off the streets has saved lives.
Ready to work? Ready to work? Find it.
Hardy says these dogs are a major tool in their toolbox to find, identify, and eliminate the drug from different communities.
The courts recognize the dogs as being a valuable tool and an accurate tool. Yeah, this is a pioneering effort on our part. It's new to the entire country.
Implementing this training is one way law enforcement agencies across the country can prevent fentanyl from killing more people.
I've talked to hundreds of people. I get calls weekly about how we did this and how we did it safely.
Woo! Good girl! We're, making great strides in training our dogs on, on fentanyl, and like to see other departments do the same. Yeah, good girl.
Jessie Cohen, Scripps News, Cheyenne, Wyoming.